Hey everyone, today we will be making Magnolia Bakery's famous banana pudding. It's pretty easy to make it and it's really good, so let's get started with the video. In a large bowl, add one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 1.5 cups of cold water. Beat the sweetened condensed milk and water together until well combined. Then add 1 box of instant vanilla pudding mix. Beat the vanilla pudding mix into your mixture for about 2 minutes. When you're finished, cover your bowl in plastic wrap and then place it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. In another large bowl, add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. When you finish making your whipped cream, gently fold in the vanilla pudding you made before. Once everything is completely mixed together, set your pudding to the side. Next, cut some bananas into slices. When you finish cutting up your bananas, you can begin assembling your banana pudding. First, add a layer of your pudding. Next, add a layer of slightly crushed vanilla wafers. If you're making this in a big dish, you don't have to crush the vanilla wafers. Then add a layer of bananas. Repeat these layers until you've filled your dish or glass. Once you finish adding your layers, you can either eat it straight up or refrigerate it for a few hours and eat it later. And this is the finished result. I totally understand why this pudding is famous. It is delicious. I made a version of this but with homemade vanilla pudding, and honestly I think homemade vanilla pudding tastes way better than the instant vanilla pudding. However, instant vanilla pudding works just as well if you don't feel like doing all of that. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! So I had a lot of pudding left over, and at first I didn't know what to do with it, but then I decided to make some banana pudding French toast. I saw banana pudding French toast on TikTok once and it looked really good, and then I realized I had all the stuff for it, and so now I'm making it. Once I finished making my French toast, I added a layer of my pudding. Then I added a layer of crushed Chessmen cookies because I ran out of vanilla wafers and this is the only cookie I had. Plus, they're delicious, they work just as well. And finally, a layer of sliced bananas. Once I finished adding all my layers, I placed another piece of French toast on top. Then I decorated my French toast with whipped cream and some more cookies and bananas. And this is the finished result! It looks gorgeous! I really like how it came out, it's all pretty and nice. And it tasted delicious. The ingredients for the French toast will be down in the description. Alright, that's really it for this video. Okay, bye now!